Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am gonna tell about the Mendeleev periodic table and law also. So this topic is related from chapter 3 of class 11th and previous topic like Newland's octaves and all previous topics of chapter 3. Chapter 2 is also going on. Chapter 1 has completed. So for detailed knowledge of chapter 1, 2 and 3 and next chapter, first you have to subscribe my channel Krishna classes and hit the like button. Let's start the today's class. First you have to hit the like button and then start the class Mendeleev's periodic table. What is the Mendeleev's periodic table? Mendeleev is responsible for publishing the periodic law first time. Mendeleev is responsible for publishing the periodic law first time. Mendeleev is responsible for publishing first time this law. What is about the law? It states as follow. The properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic weight. It means the properties depend on the atomic weight of that elements. Okay. So Mendeleev arranged element in horizontal row and vertical column. Horizontal row and vertical column of a table in order of their increasing atomic weight. They arrange element in their horizontal row and vertical column, increasing their atomic weight in such a way that the elements with similar properties and elements with a similar property occupied the same vertical column or group. It means the elements which have same properties, they are occupied in same vertical group. They are placed in same vertical group. Okay. So I am going to explain again what he said. He said about the elements which have the same property and increasing atomic weight, they arrange in same vertical column. Okay, this who said? Mendeleev said. So this is the Mendeleev's periodic table. I repeat again, Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev is responsible for publishing the periodic law first time. Mendeleev is the scientist who published the first time periodic law. It states as follow. The properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic weight. The properties of elements are depend on atomic weight. Okay. Mendeleev arranged elements in horizontal and vertical column. Horizontal row and vertical column. Horizontal row and vertical column like this. Okay. Horizontal rows and vertical columns of a table in order of their increasing atomic weight. Atomic weight is increasing in such a way that the element with similar property, it means suppose x, y and z, x, y is the elements, x is the here and y is the here. Then they have the similar property because they arrange in the same column or same group. Okay, like here or here. So this is the Mendeleev's periodic table. Hope you understand this topic very well. This is very simple and easy. Mendeleev states that properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic weight, and he arranged elements increasing order of their atomic weight in horizontal row and vertical column. Same properties of elements are arranged in a same group or same row. So this is the Mendeleev's law. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. You can take a screenshot and also write in your notebook whatever you want for your memory. So thank you so much for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Krishna classes. Thank you so much.